Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard, and thank you for being here today. My name is Darlene, and I'll be your in charge flight attendant for today's flight. Before we begin, I'd like to introduce our flight deck crew, Captain Zain Lau and First Officer David Bates. Before we get into our briefing, I'd like us to get to know one another. Since we don't always fly with the same crew, have you all met each other before? That's great. Whether you've worked together before or this is your first time flying as a team, I am looking forward to working with all of you today. How is everyone doing today? Is everyone feeling well and fit for duty? Is there anything you'd like the team to know before we get started? Wonderful. Thank you for sharing. Communication and teamwork are essential to a successful flight. So if you need any assistance at any point today, please don't hesitate to let me know. Let's support one another and make this a safe, professional, and enjoyable flight for both ourselves and our passengers. Let's begin by reviewing our working positions. I will be working at door 1L as your in-charge flight attendant. Jen, you'll be assigned to door 1R. Jessica, you'll be working at door 2L, and Bea, you'll be assigned to door 2R. Please remember your arming and disarming responsibilities as well as your assigned safety demonstration positions. Before we continue, please confirm that you have your FAM, rate, passport, and all required documents with you and that your FAM is up to date. Before we begin boarding, I'd like to do a quick knowledge check. Jen, can you tell us where your nearest fire extinguisher is located and what your first action would be if you discovered smoke coming from the lavatory? Thank you. Jessica, can you tell us where the emergency medical kit is located and what your responsibilities would be during a medical emergency? Thank you. And Bea, can you identify your primary and secondary emergency exits and explain what you would check before opening an exit during an emergency evacuation? Excellent. Thank you, everyone. It is important that we are all familiar with our equipment and procedures so we can respond quickly and confidently during any emergency. Now, for today's flight information. Today's flight AS 864 on an Airbus A320, aircraft FIN 124 operating from Toronto to Los Angeles. Our flight time today is 5 hours and 45 minutes with an expected gate-to-gate time of 5 hours and 55 minutes. We will be cruising at 39,000 feet. The captain has advised that we can expect moderate turbulence approximately 2 hours after takeoff. So please remain alert and be prepared to secure the cabin promptly when instructed. The weather in Los Angeles is expected to be warm and sunny with a temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. And today's taxi time is expected to be approximately 5 minutes. Today's passenger load is 176 passengers plus 2 infants. We have several special attention passengers today. Jen, you will be responsible for the infant seated at 5A. Please introduce yourself to the parent during boarding. Ensure they are familiar with the infant seatbelt procedure and provide assistance whether needed. Jessica, you'll be responsible for the infant seated at 7B and our wheelchair passenger, Miss Victoria Harris, seated at 24C. Please assist Miss Harris during boarding, check on her throughout the flight, and coordinate with ground staff before arrival if assistance is required. And Bea, you'll be responsible for Mr. Harrisonson, our deaf passenger seated at 30B. Please introduce yourself during boarding, ensure he understands the safety briefing, communicate any important announcement directly when necessary, and check on him periodically throughout the flight. I will oversee all our special attention passengers and assist whenever needed. If any concerns arise, please let me know immediately. Please note today's cabin defects. Seats 26A, 26B, and 26C have inoperative recline. The forward galley beverage maker is inoperative, so please adjust your beverage service accordingly. For today's safety review, please ensure all emergency equipment has been checked during your pre-flight inspections and verify that all exits, aisles, and emergency equipment remain unobstructed before departure. For today's emergency procedure, remember that if an evacuation becomes necessary, always assess outside conditions before opening an exit. Communicate loudly and confidently using the appropriate evacuation commands and direct passengers away from the aircraft quickly and safely. For today's security review, remain vigilant for suspicious behavior, unattended baggage, or any security concerns. If you observe anything unusual, notify me immediately so we can follow company procedures. For urgent communication, if you need to contact the flight deck or relay any safety-related information, use the interphone immediately and keep me informed of any situation affecting the safety or operation of the flight. Finally, let's focus on customer service excellence. Please ensure your grooming meets company standards. Greet every passengers with a warm smile. Be proactive in offering assistance and support one another throughout the flight. Our teamwork and professionalism set the tone for the entire passenger experience, so let's make every interaction a positive one. Does anyone have any questions or concerns before we begin boarding? If not, thank you everyone for your attention. I appreciate your professionalism and I'm looking forward to working with all of you. Let's have a safe, smooth, and enjoyable flight.